Welcome to Elite Motorhomes, the channel where we explore the world of luxury, comfort, and innovation on wheels. Here, we bring you the most breathtaking motorhomes, designed for those who demand elegance, freedom, and perfection in every journey. Today, we take you on a tour of one of the most ultra-luxury motorhomes ever crafted, and every detail is designed to amaze. In a world where journeys are no longer measured merely by distance but by the experiences they create, the ultra-luxury motorhome stands as a testament to freedom, sophistication, and precision, its glossy body gleaming under the soft glow of studio lights as every curve, every line, and every contour is revealed in slow, cinematic fashion. The LED headlights flickering on with a subtle hum that signals the awakening of a machine crafted for both power and elegance. Stepping closer, a confident, professional woman approaches, her polished office attire moving naturally with her stride, heels clicking gently on the reflective floor, and as she reaches the vehicle, the rear entry door opens with quiet precision, soft amber light spilling onto the steps and illuminating the polished surface of the motorhome as if inviting the viewer into a world designed for comfort, beauty, and meticulous attention to detail, every hinge, handle, and reflective surface appearing as though sculpted for perfection. The air shimmers slightly with the faint mist from a nearby garage scene where workers are seen from behind, pressure washing the exterior, water droplets sparkling mid-air as they collide with the chrome and polished metal, highlighting the care and craftsmanship that surrounds this machine, while the camera pans inside to reveal a sanctuary of modern luxury, the master bed adorned with premium linens, pillows arranged with precision, inviting softness against stitched leather headboards, the kitchen showcasing marble countertops with subtle veins of gold, chrome faucets gleaming, a built-in refrigerator humming quietly, cabinets of rich wood framing the space with elegance, a coffee machine perched delicately on the counter, the sofa arranged with cinematic composition, and the dining table reflecting the ambient LED lighting overhead. Hidden compartments, a meticulously organized medical kit, and a neatly mounted fire extinguisher emphasize both functionality and luxury, creating an environment that is as practical as it is breathtaking. The cockpit invites the driver into mastery, a wide panoramic windshield presenting endless horizons, the stitched leather steering wheel under gentle hands, the digital dashboard lighting the interior with soft glow, each dial and button designed to communicate control without distraction, the infotainment screens glowing softly, ambient lighting shifting subtly as the vehicle begins its journey, wheels spinning, suspension adapting to every undulation of asphalt, snow, sand, or mountain trail. While the woman takes her place at the helm, her focused expression and confident posture merging seamlessly with the vehicle's elegance. The road stretches ahead like a cinematic painting, mountains rising and falling in the distance, coastal roads shimmering under the late afternoon sun, urban streets reflecting neon lights against the polished body of the motorhome, every motion captured in slow, deliberate camera movements that emphasize scale, luxury, and precision, while cutaways reveal macro shots of alloy wheels, tire treads, chrome exhausts, LED taillights, and suspension components working in harmony with the environment, each detail brought to life with hyper-realistic textures, reflections, and shadows that ground the viewer in reality. As the journey unfolds, the narrative shifts to the lifestyle around the motorhome. In a modern garage, workers clean the vehicle with professional precision, pressure water sprays creating clouds of mist, their backs to the camera, emphasizing human skill without distraction. The woman walks elegantly past them, interacting naturally with the environment, subtle gestures, glances, and slow movements reflecting confidence and refinement, while the interior lighting inside the motorhome offers a warm, inviting contrast to the cool metallic environment outside, soft glows highlighting textures, fabrics, and metallic surfaces in cinematic fashion. Further shots reveal the versatility and freedom of the vehicle, navigating highways at dawn with golden light washing across its panels, winding mountain roads showcasing suspension and engineering prowess, desert dunes rolling past in cinematic slow motion, urban nightscapes reflecting neon colors across glossy surfaces, snow-covered peaks highlighting rugged durability and smooth luxury at once. Drone shots capturing aerial perspectives, circling the vehicle to present scale and design. Mastery, panoramic views revealing the environment while keeping the motorhome as the undeniable focal point. Subtle lifestyle inserts show the woman inside, gently adjusting the steering wheel, interacting with the infotainment system, sipping coffee from the kitchen, or relaxing on the sofa, each moment emphasizing the perfect blend of functionality, elegance, and human experience. Cinematic slow-motion captures reveal water droplets sliding along the polished body after rain, sunlight glinting off chrome accents, reflections of the surrounding environment dancing across the motorhome, while interior close-ups show the fine textures of leather, fabric, and polished wood, the glow of ambient LED ceiling lights reflecting softly, and subtle practical details like the medical kit, fire extinguisher, and hidden storage reinforcing thoughtful design, all while emphasizing the immersive, real-life experience of traveling in an environment designed for absolute comfort. As the journey reaches its climax, sunset casts golden hues across mountains and valleys, aerial shots show the motorhome perched on a cliff, clouds below, the horizon stretching infinitely, the rear door open, inviting viewers to step inside, slow-motion captures of the woman walking past the vehicle, interacting with the environment naturally, and cinematic reflections across the polished panels create a sense of grandeur, freedom, and accomplishment, while the camera slowly pulls back, showing the motorhome as a beacon of ultimate travel, adventure, and luxury. The narrator gently closes with a reflection that lingers: this is not just a motorhome. It is freedom. It is elegance. It is the ultimate expression of life on the road. Every journey, every mile, every horizon, crafted for those who seek perfection, comfort, and the extraordinary. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the most extraordinary motorhomes in the world. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Elite Motorhomes, and turn on notifications for more breathtaking tours of luxury vehicles and lifestyle experiences. Until next time, keep chasing freedom, elegance, and the extraordinary.